And that is the castle over there. And the rain is absolutely pouring right now. It is Saturday and it's going to be raining the whole day and for 2 days perhaps, as said in the weather forecast. So of course this is not the best time for photography, but what the hell, it's weekend, we have to go and find something to shoot at. So we're going. We have our umbrella and the camera. We're going to use the D750 and off we go. The challenge will be if how we can make out photographs, compositions during this wet and showery rainy day. Make it an interesting day for photography. That's the challenge. If it were a good weather, perhaps I would rather fly the drone at this time, but the rain totally actually removed the possibility of flying drones. First stop is this area here in Gyoda city, around 9 kilometers away from my home. It's an old windmill that is not being used. We shot here during the fall. First, we are going to take this with a basic composition, straight away, and we frame the windmill with this ginkgo trees, showing it. And I think we have to move a little bit, maybe. Let's see. And I will take the shot. I want to try to take the shot of it on the portrait mode and see what's the difference. Let us find some other perspective view of this one. Maybe we could find something else. Let's go nearer to it. So you're here on the other side. Very near it. There's the blade. It's a full metal blade. As I suspected, the blade is gonna hide on this tree beside it, so it's not a good one. If I move a little further, you will see the orange tower in the back, which is not very good for the composition. Actually, this post on the right is also not very good. So we are running out of options here. Perhaps we could just move on until find another location. So we are leaving this area of the windmill. We did not get much shots of this one, and the next stop will be a more traditional one. Let's go to Gyoda Castle. Gyoda city is actually an ancient city. There are places here which are considered as the treasures of cultural Japan. This is a kind of cool wooden gate leading to the castle. So this is the part of Oshi Castle, which is not actually the main building. The main building has not been reconstructed yet. It's now being used as a museum. So that's the bridge there, connecting the sidewalk to the castle area, which is surrounded by this small moat. I'm quite surprised that even with the rain there are tourists taking pictures here. This is, I think it's a good one, showcasing the bridge, the wooden bridge, and of course that part of the castle. And I'll have to wait for tourists to clear out on this area, and we're going to take a shot of this composition right now. So I took more shots around and I found a little bit of interesting compositions of it, but it was raining. Tried to photograph other things like this statue that you're going to see here on the park. And finally I was lucky and I got the chance to shoot this photo. This is a wild duck that's actually taking off from the pond in front of the city hall, and I just shot it with no plans because it was trying to fly and I caught it at the time of its actual takeoff, and it looked great. And this is my favorite shot for the whole of today. So with that, I want to thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on the next one. Goodbye.